YouTube not showing comments fix. Sometimes whenever you launch the YouTube application, it is not showing you comments of a certain video or anything like that. Now, the reason why this happens is actually quite simple. There are a couple of ways to understand if it's not showing you the comments. The first thing is to simply make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If you're using on Android, you can simply open up settings and you can scroll down to the option that says apps and then just tap on it. And from the apps section in the search bar, you can simply search for YouTube. Now you simply have to check and clear the cache files of YouTube. So from here, go to storage, clear cache and also clear the data. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and check if the YouTube app has an update. And if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.